You want to hear a scary story? Oh! I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just came in today.
Be quiet.
Okay, so I just bought this filter. Heard it adds like 3 horsepower. I might be able to drop like 2 seconds at the track, so we'll go ahead and see how well this thing performs. Alright, so I bought this thing at Walmart, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install it, and we'll see what type of horsepower this baby gives, or if there's any type of change in the car. I seriously doubt it. It's just I'm just replacing the stock air filter with this K&N filter. So, but we'll see how well it does. Do realize that it's nighttime outside, so I will be using a light so that way you guys can see what it's like. So in case anybody's out there who's thinking of buying this, instead of actually buying the cold air intake, I heard that it was better if you just go ahead and just replace it with the drop-in K&N filter. But we'll see what it does. So off we go. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so basically what you do is you go in. There's going to be 3 screws. One right there. Ah, come on, like there's one right there. You move over, there's a 2 and there's a 3. So there's 3 screws right here on the box, and then what you do is you unscrew that thing right there, and after that you should be good. So let's do that first, and I'll show you guys the next step. All right, so hope I didn't go too slow for you, but that's how you do it. So you unscrew this thing right here, then you just pull this off here like that. You just don't be afraid to pull it off. It doesn't really do any much. Then you have those screws there. Make sure you don't lose them. It's 1, 2, 3. See? And then you open this bad boy up just like that, and there it is. And then you just go ahead and take this one out. This is the stock air filter. Look at that. You see that? It's a bug in there too. So I mean, you can't keep this just in case you guys want to use it again for later. But this is the stock one that it comes with.
You're not even putting it on the camera.
K&N stickers. K&N filter. Intake. Alright, so this is what the filter looks like. So you can actually buy this for 40 bucks at Walmart instead of paying like 55 something. But I mean, I heard that it's just worth it. Just go ahead and buy the darn thing, and you should be able to be good. But let's put this in there. It's all oily. Please do keep in mind this is the 33/24/6 size, I'm guessing. So after you install it, you do everything in reverse, screw everything back, and you should be good to go. Let me do this, and then I'll go ahead and turn on the car for y'all. Alright, so voila, everything is done. Let me go ahead and start it up for you so that way you guys can hear how it sounds. You can hear a little bit. It does sound like it's sucking in air, but one more time. Alright, let's go test this bad boy out. Alright, so we're here somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and well, let's see how this bad boy So let's see what this thing can do. All right, here we go. Oh man, this thing's like gives like Hellcat power. No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't really do. To me, it doesn't really do much. I can't feel like the car's sucking in more air, but like it actually does feel. I actually do feel a difference in the car. I do feel like there's I don't know. I can't really put my finger on it, but I mean, I can feel like the. I can't feel like the car does really do a difference. Let's see what we can do. I hope I don't have that much tire spin on here, but let's try it out. Performance wise, it still looks the same. I mean, this one was bad. 6.2, but that's because I was trying not to make the tires spin. But as far as the air, I mean, it could be because it's actually cold outside also as well. But I mean, as far as performance wise, I'm pretty sure it doesn't do a whole lot. But I mean, I can't feel that the car is sucking in a lot easier air. Is it worth the $43? I would say so. I would say just to go ahead and buy it, just to get your car to breathe a little bit more. As far as that, I think $43 is not bad if you can buy it at Walmart. If you can buy it somewhere cheaper for online on Amazon or something like that, I would say go for it. But I mean, you can't tell, man. I mean, you can't tell if I step on the gas. I feel like before with the stock air filter, I could feel like the car was trying to breathe more. But when I step on it with this one, I mean, I can't tell the difference. All right, sorry I had to change the video so quickly, and my shirt. I heard my shirt adds like 15 horsepower also, but just kidding. But that's it. If you guys liked the video, drop a like, comment below, and subscribe, baby. Oh!